Good afternoon, girls. Today we will be discussing, we will be solving some numerical example. Okay, how to calculate national income by the expenditure method. So items will be given and corresponding, expenditure will be given here. So we are given here some 11 items: compensation of the employees 24,420 crores, then government final consumption expenditure 7,351 crores, then private final consumption expenditure 51,177 crores, then exports is given as 4,812, then import is given 5,664. So export is greater than import is greater than export. Then gross fixed capital formation, what is that? It is given as 13,248 crores, and change in stock is given by 3,170 crores. Then NFIA, net factor income from abroad, it is given as minus 255. It means we have unfavorable balance of payment. Then we have consumption of fixed capital, we also call it depreciation, in short CFC. It is given by 4,046 crores. Then indirect taxes given as rupees 8,834 crores. Okay. Then this one, subsidies given by 1,120 crore. So these are the given. By using this data, we are going to calculate, say, gross domestic product at market price, gross domestic product at factor cost, gross national product at factor cost, and last, the national income. What shall we call? Net national product at factor cost. So let us just take off the number one. That is number one. We have here number one, say GDP market price. Number one, we have GDP market price. So in order to have one demarcation, let me draw a line here so that say it is not mixed up. Okay. So GDP and market price is given by the formula like C plus G plus say plus I plus net export. Okay, net export. So C is nothing but private final consumption expenditure. It is what? 51,177. Then this G, that is government final consumption expenditure, it is 7,351. Then next is I. I is the gross investment or gross capital formation. It is given by adding up gross fixed capital formation and change in stock. These two will just give this I. These two will give I. What is that? So let us just see, add up 13248 plus change in stock, that is 3170. Okay. Then we have net export. Net export is given by difference between export and import. That is export minus import. So it will be given by, say, export minus import. Export is given by, say, 4812 minus 5664. Okay. This two is the next net export, and this I is given by these two. This gross fund fixed capital formation and change in stock. Okay. Let us add up this one. Okay. By adding up all these things and subtract up to here, let us just add up, and by subtracting 5664. Okay. We just get, say, 74,000 what? 94. Okay, we just get this one. This is nothing but gross domestic product and market prices. So let us just write rupees 74,094 crores. Okay, this is gross domestic product at market price 74094. Once we get this GDP-MP, it is very easy to calculate GDP-FC. Let us see next, number 2, GDP what FC. Okay, GDP-FC. GDP-FC is given say by this one, GDP-MP minus. This one is bigger, this one is smaller. So that for producing the factor cost, we have to subtract the net indirect tax. Net indirect tax. Okay. Net is this GDPMP. What this GDPMP is already is here 740. Okay, 94. And net indirect tax. It is given by net indirect tax is given by indirect tax minus subsidies. That is I34 minus 1120. Okay. So how do we get this one? So by subtracting so from here this to this, okay, 34, we get 7. So that is right. 1 second. 74094, and here we get see, this one is a 4, and this one is 1, and this one is 7, and this one is 7. So rupees, how much we get? How much we get? 66380. Okay, 66,384. 6,380. Okay, this is what? This is gross domestic product at factor cost, rupees 66,380 crores. Okay. Next, let us try to find out the third, this one, that is GNPFC. Number 3, GNPFC. It is visible, right? So GNPFC, from GDPFC we can find out GNPFC. It is nothing but GDPFC plus domestic national on we have to add up what? Net factor income from abroad, that is minus 255. So we have to subtract this one. That is this is 66380 minus 255. This is rupees, how much? 66380 minus 255. Okay, 66380 minus 255. That is 66125. That is rupees 66125 crores. This is the what? This is GNP factor cost. We call. Then the last one, national income. Let us find out here. National income. This is NI. We all know what is NI. This is number 4. Number 4. What is this NI? National income. National income is equal to net national product at factor cost. Net national product at factor cost. So net national product at factor cost is we can calculate from here GNPFC. So it is nothing but GNPFC. Okay, from gross to net. Gross is already given here 66125. 66125 is already given, and we have to say subtract from gross. If we subtract depreciation, that is consumption of fixed capital, if we subtract what is that? 4046. See, consumption of fixed capital. GNPFC is what? 66125 minus CFC, consumption fixed capital. That is 4046. 4046. What do we get? 66125 minus 4046. So 66125 minus 4046. How much it comes? 62079. 62079. This is rupees 62079 crores. This is the national income. So this way we can calculate. National income. Okay, by the expenditure method. So let me just sum up. So the tasks are given here. So GDP MP, gross domestic product at market price by expenditure method, it is given by C plus G plus I plus NE. Okay, this C is nothing but private final consumption expenditure. It's here. Okay, private final consumption expenditure, and this G is government final consumption expenditure 7351, and this I, gross investment, is given by adding of these two, gross fixed capital formation and change in stock. Okay, this is 13248, and this change in stock is 3170, and this one, this net export is given by export minus import. Export minus import. Export is given by 4812 and import is given by 5664. It is here. So by simplifying, okay, we just get 74,094 crore is GDP market price. Once if we know GDP market price, and if net indirect tax is given, then automatically we can find out GDP FC. So net indirect tax. Net indirect tax is again given by indirect tax minus subsidies. Indirect tax is here, subsidies here, and at 34 minus 1120. Okay, so this after calculating this, after minus this, okay, we get this one, and by subtracting 7714 from 74,094, we get 66,380 crores. This is GDP FC, gross domestic product at factor cost. Once GDP factor cost is given, we can find out GNP factor cost. Okay, what is difference between this D and N? Which one is greater? N is greater. National is greater than the domestic. So we have to add up. We have to add net factor income from abroad. Okay, we have to add net factor income from abroad to gross domestic product at factor cost. Then we get gross national product at factor cost. So we have to add up this one. But this is given as minus. So GDPFC plus, it is given already minus 255. Okay, then plus minus minus 255. By subtracting 255 from 66380, we get 66125 crore. This is GNP factor cost. Once if we know GNP factor cost, it is very easy to find out national income. National income is given by NNPFC. NNPFC we get, how do we get? GNPFC minus CFC, consumption of fixed capital or depreciation. If we subtract depreciation from gross national product at factor cost, it is changed into N. Okay, it is, this G is changed into N by subtracting CFC. Okay, GNPFC is given here 66125, and CFC, consumption of fixed capital, is here 4046. Okay, by subtracting this we get 62079. So national income is rupees 62,079 crores. So it is not very difficult. Only the thing is we have to know the formula. We have to know the formula or identities, relationship. Okay. Then we will know. It is easy to find out the national income and its aggregate. Okay. Next time so I will be teaching you about the precautions to be taken up while calculating national income by the expenditure method. Okay. What are the items to be excluded and what are the items to be included in calculating national income by expenditure method, that we will discuss next time. And by the time, in order to practice by yourself, I'll give homework in PDF text, okay, and you try to solve it and send to my WhatsApp number. I'll just check it. Okay, so till then, bye bye, see you next time.